Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer digital content with Amazon detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer digital content with Amazon, start by logging into your Amazon account. Navigate to the Your Content and Devices section found in the Account and Lists menu. Once there, you will see an overview of your digital content. Select the content you wish to transfer, such as books, music, or apps. Click on the Actions button next to the item. From the drop-down menu, choose the Deliver option. You will then be prompted to select the device you want to transfer the content to. Make sure the device you want to use is registered to your Amazon account. After selecting the device, click on the Deliver button to initiate the transfer. Wait for confirmation that the content has been sent successfully. Now, check your selected device for the transferred content. If it's a Kindle book, it should appear in your library shortly. For music or apps, access the relevant app or music library to verify the content. If you encounter issues, ensure your devices are connected to the internet. You can also check if your content is eligible for transfer on the Amazon website. Repeat these steps for any additional content you wish to transfer. Once completed, enjoy your digital content across your devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.